Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from Joe Tech Tips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I have a cool product for you. It's an LG 32QN55T monitor. It's 2560 by 1440 and it's IPS at 75 Hertz refresh rate. I got two of them. Got one over here to unbox. Got another one over there to unbox later off screen. We're going to mount two of them over here. Well, let's do the unboxing. Enough with the... And this monitor box is tremendous. Oh my God, it's huge. Look at the size of this thing. It is absolutely tremendous. If you remember, I reviewed those babies. These boxes are so big. So I probably won't have the link in the description below to purchase them unless I can find the equivalent of the monitor. Look at the size of that. Uses the standard VESA mount. So this is not an Ultra Gear monitor. This is a generic, basic 75 Hertz monitor. Well, we have a monitor stand that's coming tomorrow that's going to house both of these together. Alright, it comes with an HDMI cable. Interesting. Oh yeah, here's the power supply. Pretty big. Look at the size of that bad boy. So this is, ow, shit. Spring-loaded. If it just does what I think it does. Here we go. Done. And now it's adjustable. The weight of the monitor prevents it from going up in the air like that. So I needed another system. Might as well show it to you, part of the review process. So this is the computer I'm going to be connecting it to. This. Just so you're aware. So this is a Leon Lee 8700K. It's got only a 1080 Ti video card on here. So this LG 32QN55T is an impressive monitor. Just imagine, it's actually a 32-inch TV in front of your face, essentially. And a resolution of 2560 by 1440. It's absolutely perfect resolution for the size of the monitor. I did some motion blur testing and the response time is impressive. There's no motion blur, there's no nothing. It's absolutely perfect. I would probably rate this a 5-star because it's technically an entry-level gaming monitor, even though it doesn't sport the typical gaming monitor frequency. At 75 Hertz, that's impressive. And if you can't afford anything more than this, this will be perfectly fine at 2560, 1440 at 75 Hertz. I played a couple of games on it. I was impressed. I was able to run 3D benchmark on here, and I was able to get about 66, 67 frames a second, so above the 60 frames a second. The system is really not that powerful for testing this to get to 75 Hertz because it's only an 8700K with a 1080 Ti graphics card and 32 gigs of memory. So Leon Lee case down here, the O11D. So that's what this is. But it doesn't really matter. I'm just trying to, the typical system that people have. I mean, the one back here, this is, you know, the LG Ultra Wide 21:9 monitors. You can't really compare the two. These are gaming monitors, these two. But trying to get into the entry level, I mean, that's an Ultra Gear. This is not an Ultra Gear. They do have them, but it had a VA panel, and this is an IPS panel. And the viewing angles on this thing is impressive. I like it. For the cost, it was worth the money. At $249 in Costco, I'll find something equivalent on Amazon. But at Costco, for $249, you can't beat this. You can't. And it's a beautiful monitor. But it's an impressive monitor for what it is, and I definitely recommend it 100%. So I like it because it's big, and we're going to be setting up two of them. We're going to be doing a review of a vertical stand like this, but twin 32-inch. I find having over-under monitors are better than side-to-side monitors because it takes up a lot less real estate on the desk. And looking up is not a big deal, especially if you're video editing or if you need a secondary monitor and vertical space. That's the way to go. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.